Good morning, my dear students and my dear friend. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And today we will understand how to change the improper fraction into the mixed number and how to convert the mixed number into the improper fraction. Okay, हम लोग आज क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Changing of improper fraction into the mixed number. फिर उसके बाद पढ़ेंगे changing of mixed number into the improper fraction. Okay, so my dear students, we have already learned about the improper fraction and mixed number in the previous video. इसके पहले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने समझा था, but now we will understand once again. ठीक है, एक बार फिर से मैं बता देता हूँ. Improper fraction means what? A fraction whose value is greater than 1 or equal to 1. एक ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसका वैल्यू 1 या तो फिर 1 से ज्यादा आता है, that is called as improper fraction. और जो मिक्स्ड नंबर है, मिक्स्ड नंबर और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में ज्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं है. दे बोथ आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग सेम थिंग. दोनों के दोनों जो है सेम चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. बट द मिक्स्ड नंबर जो है, इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ होल पार्ट एंड द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. ये जो मिक्स्ड नंबर है वो फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट और मिक्स्ड नंबर का फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट और होल पार्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन है. सो अगेन द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस दैट व्हाई, what is the main difference between the improper fraction and mixed number? भाई फिर लाए क्यों दोनों को? Why we are introducing these two terms in the maths? Because listen my dear, improper fraction जो होता है, just take an example. If I am taking the example like let's take 12 upon 7. Okay, I am taking 12 upon 7. So as you already know, this is an improper fraction. 12 by 7 जो है वो improper fraction है. But now I am saying that draw a diagram of 12 by 7. अब आपको 12 by 7 का डायग्राम बनाना है. That means what? What is the meaning of 12 by 7? This is indicating that there is 1 by 7 part 12 times. 12 times 1/7 part. 12 बार 1/7 part चाहिए. That means what? We need 12 times 1/7 part. Then we can draw a diagram of 12 by 7. तभी वो 12 by 7 बनेगा. अब दिक्कत ये है कैसे बनाया जाए. ठीक है, वेट अ मिनट. इस 7 को मैं एक काम कर देता हूँ, 5 कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, सो इजीली 5 भी हम लोग डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे. ओके, लेट्स टेक 8. Okay, 12 by 8. Okay, my dear students, so now I have the fraction 12 by 8 and 12 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. So as you can see in this fraction, the 12 is greater, 8 is less. So it is the improper fraction, no doubt. कोई doubt नहीं है, ये improper fraction है. But problem अब ये है कि हम लोग 12 by 8 is here. Yes, 12 by 8 is here. How can we make a diagram? अब हम लोग डायग्राम कैसे बनाएंगे 12 by 8 का भाई? That is your problem. यही आपका प्रॉब्लम था ना? हाँ. So what is the solution? So first of all, what we will do? We will convert the improper fraction into the mixed number. हम लोग इसको mixed number में convert कर देंगे. And when you will convert the improper fraction into the mixed number, you will understand how many whole parts are there and how many fractional parts are there. भैया whole object कितने हैं और आधे आधे टुकड़े कितने हैं? That is a mixed number. ठीक है. So first of all, listen my dear, how can we convert the improper fraction into a mixed number? Okay dear students, so I'm starting this chapter, I'm starting the important part of this chapter, that is changing improper fraction into the mixed number. Mixed number में convert करने के लिए मैं इसकी शुरुआत कर रहा हूँ. This is our question number 1. Okay, 12 by 8 को अब हम लोग mixed number में convert करेंगे. ठीक है, so 12 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. ठीक है, फिर से बोलता हूं, 12 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. कुछ क्लिक हो रहा है कि दिमाग में? नहीं हो रहा है. Let's read one more time. 12 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. So 8 is what? 8 is denominator. And this 8 is saying that, what he is saying? ये 8 क्या बोल रहा है? 8 is saying that there is 8 equal parts in one whole. 8 पार्ट है एक होल ऑब्जेक्ट में. एक ऑब्जेक्ट का 8 हिस्सा करोगे और वैसे इससे हमको 12 चाहिए, 12 चाहिए. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दिस इज 12 and 8. And I already told you one thing. The numerator is dividend, my dear. Dividend. अभी देखो क्या काम आता है ये. 12 is the numerator and this is dividend, and 8 is what? 8 is the total number of parts and equal number of parts. जितने equal number of parts हम लोग करते तोड़ते हैं, that is called as divisor. So 8 is divisor. डिविडेंड है, डिवाइजर है, डायरेक्ट 12 को 8 से डिवाइड कर दो. ओके, नाउ लिसन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इनटू द मिक्स्ड नंबर? वी विल डायरेक्टली डिवाइड 12 बाय 8. 12 को डायरेक्टली 8 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. सो लेट्स टेक 12 इनसाइड, 8 इज आउटसाइड. ओके, 12 पार्ट है, 12 को 8 के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं. सो 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16 नहीं लिख सकते, 8 1 जा 8. Now we have to subtract the 8 from 12. We will get 4. Okay. So listen, my dear students. When you will divide this 12 by 8, you will get the mixed number. Mixed number मिल जाएगा. So this is a quotient, and this quotient is saying that how many whole parts are there. Whole part. Whole part. मतलब एक पूरा पार्ट कलर रहेगा, पूरा टोटल. दिस इज अ न्यूमरेटर, and this is your denominator. Okay, this is a denominator. So how can we write the 12 by 8? We can write 12 by 8 as a combination of whole part and the fractional part. तो whole part मैं लिखूंगा यहां पर. 1 is whole part and the fractional part have two terms, numerator और denominator. तो ऐसे जाना है, ऐसा clockwise जाना है. 1 4 8, इधर लिखूंगा 4, इधर लिखूंगा 8. So now you can see here the one whole part is there and 4 out of 8 is fractional part. अब इसका डायग्राम बना लो. 12 by 8 का डायग्राम कैसे बनाएंगे? पहले तो ये बनाओ, वन होल ऑब्जेक्ट, उसके 8 पार्ट करो. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So one object or one whole object is colored. तो भैया पूरा ही कलर करना पड़ेगा. Okay, this one is for this one whole object and 4 by 8 part extra. 2 3 8 equal parts. Out of the 8 equal parts we have to color this 4 part. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. So it is what? It is one whole and it is 4 by 8. And when you will combine it, you will get 1 4 by 8. So as you can see, my dear students, 12 by 8 is the improper fraction and 1 4 by 8 is the mixed number. 12 by 8 का मतलब 1 4 by 8 ही होता है. Let's check. 8 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. दोनों में 8 8 है. 12 parts we want. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 parts are colored. 12 times 1 by 8th part. So it is a improper fraction. It is the mixed number and this both representing this diagram. ऐसा इसी को मिक्स नंबर में ऐसा लिखेंगे और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में ऐसा लिखेंगे. और इसका वैल्यू जो है 1 से ज्यादा है. 1 पूरा का पूरा कलर है, एक्स्ट्रा का वो सर पे चढ़ा है. और 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is extra, more than one whole. Yes, it is 4 by 8 times more. 4 by 8 more than 1. एक से 4 by 8 और ज्यादा है. So it is a improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, improper fraction से mixed number कैसे convert करते हैं? If you want to write, you can write. Then I will take one more example. Yes, my dear students, I'm taking some more example. I'm taking some more examples of improper fraction to mixed number. ठीक है? Again 30 seconds I'm giving to you, then I will erase it. And then we will proceed towards the next question. और कुछ questions को solve करेंगे. And I'm taking the questions directly from your exercise 6.6. अब मैं जो questions लूंगा वो 6.6 से लूंगा. ठीक है? Okay. Okay, dear students, so 30 seconds is over and I'm moving towards the next question. And I'm taking the questions from directly exercise 6.6, page number 102. Okay, dear students, so now I'm moving towards the some questions of exercise. So as you can see the exercise 6.6 on page number 102, I'm taking the first question. And the first question is 9 upon 4. So my dear student, as you can see 9 upon 4 is the improper fraction and we have to convert this improper fraction into the mixed number. And I already told you that what is a mixed number? Mixed number is the combination of whole part and the fractional part. ठीक है, तो चलो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? तो बहुत इजी है. न्यूमरेटर जो हमारा है वो डिविडेंड है, डिविडेंड. This is your dividend and 4 which is the denominator and that is your divisor. That is your divisor. So we will directly divide this 9 by 4. We will directly divide this 9 by 4. हम लोग डायरेक्ट 9 को 4 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12. 12 तो नहीं ले सकते आप, 4 2 जा 8 ही लेना पड़ेगा. We will write 4 2 जा 8. जब आप माइनस करोगे तो यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा. So this 4, listen dear students, there is a 9 parts. 9 parts. Okay, 9 times 1/4 part is here. 9 बार 1/4 part है. 1/4 part 9 times. 9 times 1/4 part. Okay, तो 9 बार है. जब आप 4 times जोड़ोगे तो 1 होल बन जाएगा. देन दूसरे को जोड़ोगे और 4 को जोड़ोगे तो 8 पार्ट यूटिलाइज हो गए. So with the help of 8 part you can make 2 whole. Again the 1 part will be left over here as you can see here. Okay, so this is the left part and it is 1/4 part is left over. So how can we write this 9 by 4 as a mixed number? Yes my dear students, we will write this 9 by 4 as what? This is your whole part, this is my whole part. Then we will move clockwise towards the numerator. Numerator हमारा 1 और जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो है 4. So that is 2 1 by 4. 2 is a whole part and 1/4 is a fractional part. That is 2 and 1/4. ठीक है, 2 and 1/4 part is there. Okay, let's take a one more example which is 5 by 2. और दूसरा example ले रहा हूं मैं which is 5 upon 2. Again 5 by 2. 5 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. 5 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator and this 2 is indicating that there is 2 parts in one whole. ये जो 2 है ना, नीचे 2 लिखा हुआ है, चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहा है. There is a 2 parts in one whole. एक ऑब्जेक्ट में 2 पार्ट्स हैं और ऐसे हमें 5 पार्ट चाहिए हाफ हाफ के. सो हाफ हाफ के 5 पार्ट. ध्यान से, हाफ हाफ के 5 पार्ट्स. ओके, सो हाफ एंड हाफ 1, हाफ एंड हाफ 2. That means 2 whole part will be there. आपको यहाँ पे 2 whole part मिलेंगे और ये जो part मिल गया, it is a half part again. That is 5 1 by 2 आंसर आएगा. देखो अभी कैसा आता है. 5 1 by 2 नहीं, 2 1 by 2. गड़बड़ हो गई दिमाग. 2 times 1 by 2. Okay, 2 is a whole part and 1 by 2 is a fractional part. 2 1 by 2 आंसर आने वाला है. कैसे आएगा देखो. Now we will divide this 5 directly by a 2. 2 2s are 4. Subtract करेंगे, 1 will be left over. So 2 is the whole part. We will write 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to what? 2 is the whole part, 1 by 2 is the fractional part. आया था ना, देखो 5 का 1 part, 2 part and half part is left over. सेकेंड वाला भी हो गया, बहुत सिंपल था. लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द थर्ड क्वेश्चन एंड दैट इज 7/3. ओके, 7/3. Again, I am telling you the numerator is the dividend, denominator is the divisor. So we will directly divide this 7/3. 7 को हम लोग directly 3 से divide कर देंगे and we will get 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. We will subtract it. We will get 1. So there is a 2 part. 2 is the whole part. 7/3 is equal to 2 is the whole part. और fractional part में क्या लिखेंगे? 1/3. Let's solve one more question and that is, कुछ अलग क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. 20/3 लेता हूं, लास्ट वाला. 20/3. That means 20 times 1/3 part. 20 बार 1/3 part. If 1/3 के 20 टुकड़े चाहिए, फिर उसको जोड़ जोड़ के हम लोग 1 whole अलग अलग करेंगे और फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट भी अलग अलग करेंगे. That means we have to split this 20/3 into the whole part and fractional part. That is the mixed number. And how can we convert it? We will directly divide the 20/3 because the 20 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. तो 20 को 3 से डिवाइड कर दो, बस सिंपल. 3 का टेबल में 20 आता है क्या? 3 6 18. 3 6 18. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 2 बचेगा. So there is a 6 times whole part. 20/3 जो है we can write it as 6 is a whole part 6. फिर फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट का न्यूमरेटर 2, डिनोमिनेटर 3. 2/3 पार्ट अलग और 6 सर्कल अलग. It is a conversion of improper fraction to the mixed number. Improper fraction को हम कैसे कैसे mixed number बनाएंगे, ये ऐसे हम लोग बनाएंगे. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली डिवाइड कर देंगे. The quotient will give the whole part, the numerator and the remainder is the numerator and the divisor is the denominator. 2 1/4. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand how to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. Okay, बाकी के 4 आप लोग करो and then we will move towards the mixed numeral, my dear. Now after a few minutes, कुछ मिनट बाद हम लोग और देखेंगे how can we convert the mixed number into the improper fraction. mixed number को कैसे improper fraction में convert करेंगे. ठीक है, so quickly note down in your maths notebook and then we will proceed towards some question of change mixed number into the improper fraction. इसका उल्टा करना है. अभी हमने improper fraction को mixed number में convert किया और अब हम लोग mixed number को improper fraction में convert करेंगे. Both are very simple, don't worry. Very very simple it is. Okay, so you have some time to note down. Note down. Pause the video and note down. Pause the video and note down. Okay, dear students, now I am moving towards the changing the mixed number into the improper fraction. इसका अब हम लोग उल्टा करेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए. Okay, dear students, so now we are moving towards the change mixed number into the improper fraction. Okay, dear students, so now we will understand how to convert or how to change the what is it? This is a mixed number into the improper fraction. फिर से mixed number को improper fraction कैसे बनाएंगे? It is very very simple, my dear students. So as you can see here, the 1 is whole part, 4 is, this is a denominator and it is telling about the total number of parts in one whole. and it is 1 is the numerator, that is a fractional. Okay, so as you can see, this 1 is the whole part and this 1 by 4 is a fractional part. Okay, this 1 is the whole part and this is a fractional part. So already I told you that the denominator tells us about the total number of parts in one whole. Total number of parts in one whole. So as you can see here, the one whole is here and the total number of part is 4. So 1 को 4 से multiply करेंगे. What we have to do? Listen dear students. ये जो one whole object है, it is indicating a one whole part. One whole part. अब ये one whole part है और one whole part में 4 in the one whole part, that means in the one whole there is a 4 equal parts. एक whole object में 4 equal parts है. So what we will do? We will multiply this 4 and this 1. We will get 4 ones are 4. That means in the one object there will be a 4. यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा और ये side में 1 by 4. Okay, we have to multiply 4 and 1. What we have to do? We have to first of all understand about the mixed number. Okay my dear student, this is a mixed number and mixed number have the whole part and the fractional part. तो 4 को 4 से multiply करेंगे. 4 into 1, 4 multiply by 1, इसको इससे करेंगे multiply. फिर जो भी आंसर आएगा, whatever the answer will come, उसमें न्यूमरेटर को ऐड करेंगे. Plus 1 whole divided by denominator which is 4. So 4 ones are is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 5 and 4 will be as it is. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move towards the next question. And the next question also have a mixed number. And here it is a mixed number. It is a 2 part which is whole object, which is whole part. 2 is the whole part and this 3 by 4 is the fractional part. So 4 को आप 2 से multiply करोगे. 4 multiply by 2. Then whatever the answer will come, we will add the numerator. उसमें हम लोग it is multiplication. Whatever the answer will come, उसमें 3 को add करेंगे. Plus 3 and the denominator which is 4 as it is. 4 2s are 8. 8 हो गया. 8 plus 3 9 10 11. So it is numerator will be 11 and 4 will be downside. Denominator will be as it is. Denominator में कोई भी changes नहीं होने वाला है. Okay. So now we will move towards the question number 3 and the question number 3 is, it is question number 3 here. Book में और अलग हो सकता है. ठीक है, ये सारे questions are available on page number 102. So again we will multiply 2 and 3 multiplication और addition करेंगे numerator. Okay, 3 2s will be 6. 6 plus 1 7. So numerator is 7. Denominator is 2. 7 by 2 answer आएगा. Okay, so 2 multiply by 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 and it is 2. So it is 7 by 2. Okay dear students, so now we will solve some more questions of exercise. So I am taking the question number 3. It is done. 2 1 by 2. No. Let's take 2 1 by 2. Okay, so it is a mixed fraction. Yes my dear student, it is a mixed numeral. Mixed number bolo ya mixed fraction bolo, these are same. So 2 is a whole part and 1 by 2 is the fractional part. So we have to convert this mixed number into the improper fraction. Improper fraction कैसे बनाएंगे? So multiply करेंगे. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So ऊपर में आ जाएगा 5. Denominator will be as it is. Answer 5 by 2 आएगा. ठीक है. Let's move towards the more question and it is 3 2 by 3. 3 2 by 3. Again we will multiply these two numbers. Multiply the denominator with the whole part. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 10 11. So numerator आपका 11 आएगा. ठीक है. We will write like this 3 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 plus 2 will be 11 upon 3. Okay, this is 11 upon 3. Let's take one more question, and this question is not available in your book. I'm taking from my side. 5, 4, 6. Okay, so as you can see, it is a mixed number, and in this mixed number, 5 is the whole part, 4 by 6 is the fractional part. Okay, 4 by 6 is the fractional part, 5 is the whole part. So we want to convert, yes my dear students, we want to convert this mixed number into the improper fraction. And what is the improper fraction? Numerator must be greater than the denominator. That means देखो denominator तो 6 ही आने वाला है. Okay, now we want to understand what will be the numerator. How many total number of 1 by 6 parts are there? 1/6 के कितने parts हैं? Okay, so we will multiply this number. 6 5 और 5 6 is 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So numerator will be 34 and 6 will be downside. इसको लिखोगे कैसे आप लोग? We will multiply the denominator with the whole part. 6 into 5. इसका जो भी आंसर आएगा, whatever the answer will come, we will add the numerator of the fractional part and denominator as it is. So 6 5 are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 34 will be numerator and denominator is as it is, which is 6. और जब आप 34 by 6 को, when you will convert the 34 by 6 into the mixed number, जब आप इसको फिर से mixed number में convert करोगे तो फिर से 5 4 by 6 ही आने वाला है. How? 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 5 30, 6 5 30, and the 4 which will be left over, वो जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रिमाइंडर में बच जाएगा 4. So 4 आ गया and divisor is 6, तो 6 नीचे आ गया. Simple. You can convert the mixed number into the improper fraction and improper fraction into the mixed number. Okay, this is very very important my dear students. I hope you understand how to convert the mixed number into the improper fraction and improper fraction into the mixed number. Quickly note down in a maths notebook, then we will proceed towards the next topic if the time is left over. अगर time बचता है तो, and if there is no time, so it's okay. Okay, time already बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. Okay, my dear students, we will understand about the addition and subtraction of like fraction in the next video. Okay, अगले वीडियो में मैं आपको addition and subtraction बताऊंगा like fraction का. आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. Have a good day.